Hey everybody, this is Gerard Braud inviting you to a special workshop which covers the 5 steps of effective crisis communications. We're going to have a full-day workshop sponsored by the Louisiana Hospital Association. It is August 8th, 2019 in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. If you're a member of the Louisiana Hospital Association, the cost is $195. If you're in PR, marketing, communications, you should be there. If you're a hospital administrator, you should be there. If you're in incident command, risk management, you should be there. This is going to be critical so that you can communicate effectively if you have a situation that arises to a crisis. Corporate guests, you can attend for just $250. No, you don't have to live in Louisiana. It's worth coming in no matter where you have to drive in from or no matter where you have to fly into. Well, here's what we're going to cover in the full-day workshop. Vulnerability assessments. When it hits the fan, you need to know in advance what those hits are so there are no surprises. You will actually work on your vulnerability assessment. After you do that, it becomes your roadmap for your crisis communications plan. If you don't have a good written crisis communications plan, we're going to teach you how to write one. If you have one, we're going to discuss how to update it. I talk to people all the time who don't update their plans. They write them, they put them on a shelf, they never update them. They're not updated for current social media. They're not updated for live social media. And if you're not updated for that, you've got work to do. We're going to help you do it. Also in the morning, we're going to look at my secret sauce pre-written news releases. People are always wondering, how is it that I can get a news release approved and out to the media, to employees and all stakeholders in usually under 15 minutes? The secret is pre-written news releases. We're going to learn about those. After lunch, we're going to dig into media training. This is going to go in a different direction than you're used to in media training. Yes, there will be role playing, but we're going to do some writing to support your media training, because great interviews have nothing to do with being fast on your feet. Great interviews have everything to do with great writing and great practice sessions. We'll cover that in media training, plus something you've probably never had before in media training for mobile consumption. As more humans turn to their cell phone to get official news, how you talk to the media and how that story is ultimately edited means you have to be thinking about mobile communications every time you do an interview. And then we're going to wrap up the day with a crisis drill. I always say drills are your opportunity to mess up in private so you don't mess up in public. We'll test your crisis management team, test your crisis communications plan. You'll learn how to test your spokespeople to make sure everybody's on the same page. So where is it? Baton Rouge, Louisiana. When? August 8th, 2019. What's the cost? $195 if you're a member of the Louisiana Hospital Association, $250 if you're a corporate guest coming in from somewhere else. This day is going to be worth your time, your effort, and your money. I make that promise to you. Want to hold me to it? Meet me in Baton Rouge on August 8th. This is Gerard Braud.